Hi guys, it's David from August University here. Just wanted to bring you guys a quick video on the markets, what's going on, the tools that I utilize during these times when we're bearish. And right now this is actually one of the best opportunities of a lifetime to capitalize on the crypto space as well as the stock market. So if you are able to allocate more funds and got out in time, I did not get out in time, so I'm still holding the bag, and I'm still going through some things with Celsius Network, which means not sure 100% if us Celsius holders um, are getting our funds back. So yeah, obviously it's not the best time for everybody that was with Celsius, but I really do believe that they will fix everything, hopefully, or at least get bought out by a company that can handle it. If not, it is what it is. What worked for me during previous to the bull market is to accumulate while things are low and cheap. Right now, this is the lowest, actually not the lowest, but very low, and you'll probably see even lower. And so this is like one of the greatest opportunities to snag some investments in some crypto while things are down. So if you have extra funds, not financial advice, not financial advisor, but if you have extra funds that you want to start dollar cost averaging in on certain assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hex, whatever you like, this might be the time to do so. So I will share my screen. I'm going to show you guys a tool that I use as well to be able to look at when's the best time to take profit or invest. So if you guys can see, the whole cryptocurrency market is, red. The last 7 days we've been red and further. And if you look into Bitcoin as a whole, I'll actually zoom completely out. If you go to max, very, very far back in 2018, we had the high point of, almost $20,000. Then for a few years, it kind of went stale a little bit. We had the high point of about 13,000, 12,000, and then we got extremely bullish back. We got really low actually during the pandemic, during COVID, and then we started getting slowly moving upwards. So this would have been one of the best opportunities to start accumulating dollar cost averaging in on Bitcoin again, right? When it was super low, like $3,000, even here, 6,000 is pretty cheap. Then it started slowly trickling up and getting bullish, even through the pandemic and stuff like that, and to a new all-time high of around 61,000. And then we had a situation where there's a bunch of FUD, and then we got cut in half, not just Bitcoin, but Ethereum and other cryptos. And then we slowly creep back up again to another all-time high of the 66,000, I believe, around there, 67,000. And then guess what? All this stuff's going on with the government. Definitely the stock market crashed. Government's printing more and more money as we speak, and then there's wars going on as well. So there's just a lot happening. But if you zoom out completely, um, you know, it's happened before where we had massive dips. I really do feel like we have the opportunity to we might go further down, but eventually move back up again. If you believe in these assets, if you believe in the industry, if you believe in the need for external assets, finance that's outside of the banks, outside of the government, then crypto was it, right? We're still super early stages here, but I don't have a lot of Bitcoin right now, to be honest with you, but I am hustling my butt off to look to get as much cash flow as I can, so that at these prices, hopefully get as much Bitcoin, Ethereum as possible, and allocate my funds that way, as well as Hex as well, because this is dirt cheap right now, guys. So choose your favorite cryptos to that you believe in and buy on the cheap is what I'm saying. So one of the tools that I use is called Lux Algo, and it's like an algorithmic software. So it uses an algorithm that tells you to buy and sell, and you can use this on any timeline, whether 5 minutes to a weekly chart, monthly chart. And this is a Bitcoin in a weekly chart, and you can see when they were bullish and when they were bearish, back in April, May, going bullish, okay? And it was a opportunity to buy. And then it told you that it was going bearish, closer to the April 2021. So if you would have listened to this, you could have got out. I didn't listen, to be honest. I didn't zoom out like I should, and take that opportunity. But if you follow this to a T, it does work, especially on the longer time frame. So that's the week. This is the daily chart. Still works relatively the same, right? I told you to sell the top here, told you to buy down here, right? Told you to buy here and then potentially sell there. So it does work pretty much on any timeline. Now you can adjust the charts based on your trading style and investment style. You can change it to the hour. Okay, I have mine on super sensitive settings, and you guys can do whatever you want with it, whether you day trade or dollar cost average or what have you. On the last hour, we're signaling a strong buy signal, which looks like it's dwindled down, but has not flipped yet. But this is a really cool tool if you're looking to kind of get right in there and day trade or margin trade, or looking just dollar cost average in. I don't recommend if you're not comfortable with trading to use leverage, because you can easily get wrecked, to be honest with you guys. But I like to use this as a tool to dollar cost average in at the best times. And it's just to see what's going on with the market as a whole. So this is Lux Algo. If you guys are interested in Lux Algo, you can go to Lux Algo's website. I'll have the links down below, in which you can use this on your smartphone, or you can use this on your TradingView account. So what you want to do is go to TradingView and download the free charts, right? It's going to look like this. And yours will have ads. I paid the extra few dollars to remove the ads because I don't like ads. I just don't. So it's worth it to me. What I like is you can see if we're bullish or bearish as well on the timeline, and the percentage here. Not sure if you can see on the screen there, but you can adjust your sensitivity levels to the way you want. Okay, and this works with stocks. This works with crypto. This works with forex, etc. So it's pretty cool. What I like is it does come with access to their community as well, so you get updates via their Discord, right? So you can see different trading recommendations, etc., what have you. And these are the packages here. So you can go monthly, quarterly, yearly. I personally always say try to get the yearly if you really want to utilize this technology and the signals, and you're going to be analyzing charts regularly and trading pretty regularly. Then try to get the longer time frame, because you just pay for it once, set it and forget it, instead of paying this monthly fee all the time. But also, the reason why I say that is you save 40%, right? Plus I have a code that saves you an additional 20%. So it's better to get either this package, okay? So $489, so that's 40% off plus 20% off, or the lifetime package, which you can click lifetime here, and it's $997. But then I have my code down below, which you're going to save 20%. So I'll include all that stuff for you guys down here. Once again, you're going to get the VIP Discord group with scanners and bots, signal settings optimized for your experience. We got real-time alerts, and non-repaint signals, and 24 hours support as well. I never used the 24/7 support myself to try it. Never really needed it because it's pretty self-explanatory. But I've been using Lux Algo for over a year and a half now, and I really, really like it. When I was day trading, I liked it, and when I dollar cost average, I love it. So it does what I need it to do, and it works as advertised, right? So if you're interested in Lux Algo, I will include the link down below for you guys with your 20% off as well. And as you can see, it works with pretty much every asset that has a chart. So if you're looking at GameStop, for example, you can see if they're bullish or bearish as well. Right now, we're still selling. So strong sell, no flip to buy signal yet. Okay. And you can do this to, PayPal, for example, right? We saw a buy signal here. So I like it personally. Like I said, you always want to look at the higher time frames, like the day or the hour or the week chart. But if you're trading short term, then you zoom into the shorter time frames, like 15-minute, hour, 30 minutes, etc. All right, guys, this is Lux Algo. I'll include all the special discounts for you guys below. Just wanted to do a quick video on Lux Algo. Don't get scared, guys. I know a lot of us have not been able to utilize our gains or haven't made the gains because we didn't sell it all at the time and at the top and everything. But think long term, think lifetime, think 5 years, 10 years. If we had the ability to make more funds and accumulate more, then guess what? We can utilize these opportunities, right? So hopefully you guys are with me on that. This is David. I appreciate you guys watching today's video. Please hit the like button if you didn't already do so. If you didn't already do so, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I got your back. If you guys are feeling a type of way about what's going on with the communities, with NFTs, with crypto right now, I feel your pain, but we can get through this. All right. Make sure you spend some time with your loved ones. Make sure you spend some time for yourself. Be positive. Don't get into that downward spiral. And until next time, stay bullish. And I'll see you guys in the next video.